friends, Running Kimono here. So guess what? We actually have a triple stack that's working. I know there was a lot of rumors and sounds that it's not going to work. I went out and did 2 transactions this morning. I stacked 2 and I stacked 3 with some Christmas merch in store. So specifically, we're talking about this guy stacking a paper and then 2 digitals, and it worked. And I was like, oh my gosh. I kind of went for a different sort of a transaction, more focused on chocolates, but I still made it work and I'm still excited. And then I did my OLAY serum and I got these 2 to stack, and it was just like magic and razzle dazzle, and like they were handing out butterscotch pudding at the register too. It was just fantastic. So I am like super hyper by this, and if you can get out to the store, it's working again and there is no issues. My Walgreens cash posted right away. One account had posted right away, the other account I had to wait 30 minutes, but I'm okay with that. But there was no like calling customer service and being like, I need help. Everything was working perfectly, and I'm going to show you my Walgreens cash at the end of one transaction to show you that I'm not making stuff up, but it was fantastic. Now, the coupon cat Suzu, who comes up with all of these deals, would appreciate a big enthusiastic thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing today. You would make her Wednesday. So the first piece of business I want to talk about, and guys, I apologize, my photography sucks, but there is a display right in the, where they have the 2 aisles of nothing but Christmas over at Walgreens? They have a red display of LINDT truffles, and part of it, they had birthday cake. They had 6 bags of this, and guess what? It's ringing up for 49 cents. So if you were like me and you could not track anything down, look for this display. It's like a little shelf all in red cardboard, all with LINDT truffles, and they had 6 birthdays in there. Bring one to the counter and say, hey, what's the price for this? And if it's 49 cents, it's rock and roll time. I will let you know this is not part of Christmas and it will not ring up BOGO 50% off. It's just 49 cents per bag, but still a stock up price if you like to gift these, or if you like these like white chocolate, fancy chocolate truffles. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about is a Christmas themed one. I did this in store. I had a paper booster and I had 2 digitals, a 7 back when you spend 30 that we recently got, and then this nightmare of 60 or 20 back when you spend 60, but it'll also reduce down 10 back when you spend 40. So I had all 3 of these, 2 digitals loaded, and I got the cashier to scan my paper booster. Now, I grabbed 9 bags of the LINDT truffles. I grabbed 4 holiday and then 5 plain Jane ones to give any time of the year. You'll find this merchandise throughout the store, and look for these tags. And it is BOGO 50% off at $5.99. So $5.99 for the first, $2.99 for the second. And yes, this is qualifying for the spend 40 on Christmas, get back 10. And then just to show you a closer NASA enhancement of this, we have holiday assortment and milk chocolate. I recently gave a friend's mom a bag of these as part of a gift, and it's like I had given her like a queen's diamond. She was like, oh my God, LINDT truffles. So I just thought it would make a really nice part of Christmas. Now, I didn't have any coupons to go with, but I had a lot of manufacturer register rewards. I think I used 6 of them and they scanned perfectly. So I threw a bunch of these in. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 9 bags of those LINDT truffles, $5.99 on a BOGO 50% off is $41.91. Got the cashier to scan my 9 back when you spend 40 booster, scanned perfectly. Plus I had a 20 back when you spend 60 e-booster, but it also reduces down to a lower tier of 10 back when you spend 40. That was loaded. And I had my 7 back when you spend 30 e-booster also loaded. I also presented, I think, 6 register rewards. I had a whole bunch of them from the last couple of weeks, so I just blew through them for this deal. It was $23 in manufacturer register rewards. I got the cashier to scan every single bag so it would attach part of the line limit. So all 6 scanned beautifully. With my debit card, I paid $18.91 and got back 26 bucks in Walgreens cash for all 3 boosters. And it took 30 minutes on the app to appear, but yes, it did appear. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but I am delighted with this triple stack. You have no idea, because I was nervous and it worked. And then just to show you in the Walgreens app, there's my $18.91. That's specifically what I paid, and there's my 26 bucks back. So I'm not making stuff up. This is in fact working. Okay, so I know I was talking about the Hello Kitty gingerbread. I really wanted it, but I passed on it for chocolate. I just thought the chocolate was a better deal for me, and I will buy one of these, but I'm not going to buy like 17 of them like I normally would, because what am I doing? I'm a grown woman with like 8,000 Hello Kitties. I really, really wanted one, but I just said pass on it. And if the chocolate or the Hello Kitty is not your speed, open up your Walgreens app in store, scan, and see where it says earn 20, spend 60. That's what we're looking for on the holiday essentials. So you can get a $40 basket that would mirror mine. But just to let you know, and I passed on the Hello Kitty. I know probably a ton of you are shocked, but I will grab one, probably use $5 in Walgreens cash in the future and pay the 99 cents and call it a really good deal. But I adulted today. I don't know who I am. Okay, so deal number two, I'm stacking these two boosters, the digital 7 back when you spend 30 and the paper 9 back when you spend 40, and this deal was done in store. You look on the top shelf, $46.99 for the OLAY Super Serums. Look, but don't touch. Those are expensive. They have a regular one and a night one. I opted for the night one because I think I might need that beautification at nighttime. It just seems like a cool little product. So we have this digital coupon, and hopefully all of you received it. It is a 15 off of one, and it has to be an ounce or larger, so the 46.99 one. So remember, guys, I'm doing this in store. I grabbed one of those for $46.99. I got the cashier to scan my booster, which is 9 back when you spend 40. Plus, I had my digital booster loaded of 7 back when you spend 30. I had one $15 coupon melting off. With my debit card, I paid $31.99. Got back a $15 register reward and $16 in Walgreens cash for the two boosters, dropping this product that's $46.99 down to 99 cents. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're juggling two boosters. It's been contentious with customer service in these boosters. You don't want any trouble. That's probably why I wouldn't do it. And then just to show you, here's the very beautiful $15 register reward. This is a manufacturer. Obviously, would have been smarter to do this deal first and then to throw this in the Lindt chocolate one, but I was in a rush. Still delighted to have it. Last piece of Walgreens homework is to load this for next week, starting on the 19th right till the 26th. It appeared at like midnight last night. $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend 35. It is rock and roll time, so I'm happy that these boosters are finally back and they're working and posting as they should be. So I didn't have any issues today. Get out and make these deals happen, guys. The last store that we have is Rite Aid, and I'm just going to show you a little hodgepodge deal that I threw together. We have this little coupon this week, which is $5 of bonus cash when you spend 30, so you will earn it post your transaction. As many of these pharmacies are closing, I think this is the time to stock up on everything and anything and to make carts happen. And if you're paying very little out of pocket, like just make these deals happen because it's do or die time over at Rite Aid. Going to show you one quick deal that I did, and it's a hodgepodge of stuff, not including the crest because that was harder to track down. Two of these Orajels, $4 in bonus cash when you buy two. The Vaseline lip balms, $2 of bonus cash when you buy two of them. Some of them are $2.19. BOGO 50% off as well. And then the $5.99, this Airwick plug, we have a 7 off 2 digital that is in fact attaching. And then the Persil, we have a $2 digital coupon, $5.99. $2 back, and there's $1 back from IBOTTA for this guy as well. So just to show you my basket, I had one Persil, 2 of the Airwick Vibrams, 4 of the Vaseline lip balms, and then 2 Orajels. And I got my basket to 30. I had a 7 off 2 for the Airwick. I had a $2 for the Persil, and then a 5 off 15 all over Instagram. That coupon, just search any Rite Aid influencer. It should be popping up. I got mine from Real Deals here on YouTube as well. So that's how I got it. Anyhow, guys, I paid like $18.04 for this basket and got back $15 in bonus cash, 5 for spending 30. And then I got some for Vaseline, Orajel, and then Persil. Nothing for Airwick. And then I also got $1 back from Ibotta for that Persil. So if you think about it, it's basically 16 back. So it's like $2.04 for this basket. Try and make something happen because I'm not sure how long Rite Aid's going to be around for. They're closing more of those stores, and it's just a story of hard times. If you don't like what I did, you can always Frankenstein $13 of these plain Jane crests. They are $2.99 on a BOGO, 50% off. Grabbing 6 of them would be like just under 13 bucks. And it is 5 back when you buy 3. So grabbing 6 of them, you would get your $10 back. It's like paying 3 bucks for 6 tubes of toothpaste, which is really fantastic. Alternatively, if you do not like crest and you wear dentures or know somebody who wears dentures, the promotion is also working on these smaller Fixodents, and they are $2.89. They're also on the same promotion of buy 3, get 5 back. So make these deals happen over at Rite Aid. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.